If your child takes an interest in playing instruments like drums, it is always a must for the parents to understand them. So, if you have noticed that your child wants to play the drums, then being a responsible parent, it is a must that you buy the best kids drum set for them. However, if you're buying for the first time, it might become a little perplexing for you. There are many products available to choose from best junior drum sets for kids, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best junior drum sets for kids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nintendi MJDS. This brand specializes in making junior drum sets. While they don't have the same prestige as brands like Ludwig and Pearl, they provide good value at a lower price point, which is important if you're not sure whether your junior drummer will want to continue playing once the novelty factor wears off. The snare and toms have good bounce, and they all sound good, if not decent. Note that snare wires are positioned inside, so there is no way to adjust the wire tension. This is set to make the snare more child-safe, compared to conventional designs. The cymbals and hi-hats are quite small as expected. They wouldn't be sounding as full and responsive as their bigger counterparts. Still, the overall quality of its parts together with its compact size make it a good starter kit for the price, great for kids ranging in age from 2.5 to 10 years old. Another plus for this 5-piece kit is that it's not that hard to assemble, although it will take some time for first-timers. Number 2. Pearl Roadshow Jr. As the name implies, this drum set is a slightly smaller version of their popular Roadshow series, meant to save space and make younger, smaller drummers more comfortable while playing. While its size is small, it does carry with it the same quality shell material found on regular size Pearl drums. It is not a toy meant to look like drums, it's a real, serious drum set scaled down for kids. This means that it retains the playing feel and experience of a pro-quality kit, but at a more kid-friendly size. For something small, the Roadshow Jr. has a big beefy sound with good volume. It features shells made of poplar, resulting in authentic vintage-style sounds. The heads are also responsive and great for learning techniques and dynamic nuances. The cymbals and hi-hat are also small, but the ones included in this kit are better than what you'd normally get from similarly priced junior kits. Still, if you want to gig with this kit, you'll have to swap them out for something bigger. Number 3. Thorp Drum SJ. The Thorp Drums SJ 5327 is a junior-sized drum set meant for drummers from 3 to 12 years old. It comes complete with everything needed to play, including a snare, 2 toms, a 1-floor tom, a crash ride cymbal, and a hi-hat. The overall quality and build are quite nice for the price, good enough for kids and even adults who are looking for a compact and affordable kit to test the waters for drumming. To be able to play it right out of the box, it comes with important accessories like drumsticks and a drum throne. When properly set up, it doesn't look like a toy kit at all, while still being compact enough for kids of different ages. It also helps that it doesn't look cheap. It comes with a nice sparkly finish and all chrome hardware and accents. And to accommodate more kids, it comes in 7 different color finishes, including purple and pink. Number 4. Donner Det 80 Electronic Drum Set. Most of the kits on this list are acoustic, but I figured we should include an electronic drum set for parents in apartments and condos. The Det 80 is a perfect kit for young beginner drummers. The company sent one to me recently to check out, and I was pleasantly surprised. The kit comes with 4 drum pads, 3 cymbals, 2 foot pedals, the drum brain, headphones, a stool, sticks, and a robust hardware frame. I'd suggest this for kids no older than 13 years old, since it's a bit on the small side. The kit is much quieter than any of the other drum sets on the list, so if noise is a concern, the Det 80 might be a perfect choice. Number 5. Music Alley Kids Drum Set. The Music Alley 3-piece kids drum set is the perfect drum kit for kids. It includes 3 pieces of drums that are fully functional and help every special child with musical ability to enjoy a great time. This drum set is intended for 3 to 8 years of kids. You can stay assured that the drum set is not plastic but a real instrument. It is constructed with metal and plastic to produce the best sound and provide a realistic feel to young and aspiring drummers. This drum set from Music Alley has the effectiveness to produce an authentic experience. It features real wooden shells with a metallic finish that provides an excellent drumming experience. The tunable skins are something that will help your child to acquire the amazingness of melody. The set includes a 14-inch bass drum, which is operated by a bass pedal, to provide the best experience for your child. It will help them to learn in a proper manner to become a professional drummer in the future. It also includes other drums that provide a creative feeling. The kit has 8 inches of tom and 8 inches of the snare drum, with 8 inches of cymbals. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.